Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry if I'm looking a little dirty because I'm already out here working on the truck. So we're gonna get this 4-inch exhaust into a 6-inch tip put on. I've already got the truck lifted up in the back just to help with the body being so close to the ground and shit with the tractor over here. Right now we just gotta get the old exhaust off so we can put that new exhaust in. We are back again. We got the exhaust out. As you can tell, I'm really dirty. It's really dirty up under there. This exhaust was really hard to get off. So we're about to get putting in this new one. Let me show you this, guys. Here it is. Here's the old exhaust. Here's our new straight pipe exhaust with the tip on the end. So once I get that installed, we'll be back to you guys. Alright guys, so change of plans. So the exhaust, I had some trouble getting it on just because the piping was bent into, I tried to beat it out but I couldn't get it done. So yeah, we're at the muffler shop. We're gonna have them put it in real quick. Ain't a big deal. It is what it is. But yes, here we are. We're at Jones Muffler. Good old Jones Muffler in Ben Wheeler, Texas. We're gonna get this exhaust put on and we're gonna be done with it and on to the next thing. I got some new things in for the truck and I can't wait to show you guys. Got that exhaust put on. It sounds amazing, and everything worked out even though it didn't in the beginning. So let's get you a little startup real quick and then we'll end the video. Start up. Ready? Oh yeah, sounds nice and good.